Hello guys, welcome to the channel for Mania. So in today's video, we are doing the Antutu benchmark within the Nothing Phone 2 versus the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro. These two handsets comes with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So guys, first start off from the Antutu benchmark. Before starting off the Antutu benchmark, I would like to add these two games to the maximum performance mode. So it's in settings and then system. You can see a game mode on the Nothing Phone 2, and we have a game list management over here. We can just tap add apps and add the two of the Antutu benchmarks. That means unlist Antutu benchmark and the 3D bench. And same thing with this guy also. Either go to settings and then go to the ultra game mode, and over here you can just tap plus and select the high performance games over here. So we are gonna start the Antutu benchmark. I will just swipe over here for the monster mode is turned on, and we have added it on the Nothing Phone to the ultra game mode. So we are going to start the test in 3, 2, 1 and go. So guys, this is the Antutu scores of the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro versus the Nothing Phone 2, and you can see 1.2 million, that means almost close to 12 lakh is the scores on the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro versus it's just 1 million is the scores on the Nothing Phone 2. You can see the CPU is, let's look at the CPU, it's 3 lakh 61 versus just 2 lakh 59. Oh, there's a 1 lakh difference over here itself in the terms of the CPU itself. And if you look at the GPU, it's 4 lakh 38,000 versus 3 lakh 72, close to almost 1 lakh difference. And you can see in terms of memory, it's a light difference, 1 lakh 90 versus 2 lakh. And in terms of the UX, it's 2 lakh 32,000 versus 1 lakh 93, not a big difference. So the main difference was in the CPU as well as the GPU. Clear 1 lakh difference, more than 1 lakh difference in terms of the CPU versus less 1 lakh difference in terms of the GPU. And if you look at the temperature height, 2.1 degrees Celsius is only increased on the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro versus 5 degrees Celsius is increased on the Nothing Phone 2, and the maximum temperature was 41.3 versus 38 over here. And you can see just 2% battery is dropped on the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro versus 4% is dropped on the Nothing Phone 2. Now let's quickly check the storage test also. Storage test in 3, 2, 1 go. Okay, in terms of storage test, actually the Nothing Phone 2 takes a lead with a huge lead, I would say, almost a nice difference between both. You can see 55k versus 78k, almost more than 23k difference in terms of the storage speeds. You can see the read speed is 18k versus 23k over here, good lead, versus write speed is just 12k versus 15k. And if you look at the random access speed, it's 24k versus 40k. That is a huge, insane difference in terms of the random access speed. You can see the difference between both. So guys, that was it regarding the Antutu benchmark between the Nothing Phone 2 versus the Iqoo Neo 7 Pro. So guys, that is today, signing off. It's for Mania.